companies to build EV components of its products domestically. So where does all this shake out for the road ahead in the auto industry?
For years, Tesla has dominated the EV industry, setting the benchmark for electric vehicle innovation. Just when competitors thought they were catching up, Elon Musk has once again changed the game. A few days ago, Musk announced a revolutionary new engine.
Tesla is another revolutionary idea from the mind of Elon Musk.
One that promises to be the fastest, most efficient, and most advanced in the world. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete transformation of electric vehicle technology. But what makes this new engine so groundbreaking? And why do experts believe it could wipe out Tesla's competition for good? The answer will leave you speechless. The innovation that changes everything. Tesla has always been at the forefront of electric vehicle innovation, but this latest development pushes the boundaries even further.
Why does Tesla exist? Why are we making electric cars? It's because it's very important to accelerate the transition to sustainable transport.
While most automakers are still struggling to catch up with Tesla's existing technology, Musk's team has unveiled an engine that defies expectations. This new carbon-wrapped motor isn't just a small upgrade. It's a game-changer that could spell disaster for traditional car manufacturers and EV rivals alike. At its core, Tesla's new engine is built around a plaid, carbon-wrapped rotor, a groundbreaking design that allows the motor to operate at much higher speeds without overheating or losing efficiency. The idea of pushing an electric motor beyond 20,000 revolutions per minute has always been considered unrealistic, until now. Tesla's innovative use of carbon fiber reinforcement has changed that forever. Unlike traditional metal rotors, which expand under heat and stress, Tesla's carbon fiber wrapping ensures the rotor remains structurally intact even at extreme speeds. This means the motor can generate unprecedented levels of power without the risk of failure. In layman's terms, Tesla just built the fastest and most durable electric motor ever created. But it's not just about speed. This new motor is also designed for efficiency. One of the biggest challenges in EV technology has always been the balance between performance and battery consumption. High-performance EVs often sacrifice range in exchange for speed, but Tesla's new engine eliminates this compromise. The combination of lighter weight, enhanced energy conversion, and superior cooling means this motor delivers more power while consuming significantly less energy. The result? Tesla's new vehicles will not only be faster, but will also have a significantly longer driving range than any other electric car on the market.
In the US, where Tesla revealed the biggest slump in earnings in more than a decade.
This single breakthrough could dismantle one of the biggest criticisms of EVs, range anxiety, making Tesla's cars the ultimate choice for consumers looking for performance, reliability, and efficiency. Competitors are now scrambling to figure out how Tesla achieved this breakthrough. Industry insiders are calling it a technological leap that could set Tesla apart for another decade. With this new motor, Tesla isn't just leading the EV industry, it's leaving everyone else in the dust. How will legacy automakers and EV competitors respond to a game-changing breakthrough like this? The breakthrough that left the industry in shock. The electric vehicle industry has been growing at an astonishing pace.
Elon Musk, who runs the largest US EV maker, Tesla, right now might be closer than anyone in the world.
With new players entering the market every year. But despite the increasing competition, no automaker has come close to surpassing Tesla. Just as rivals were beginning to believe they were catching up, Elon Musk dropped a bombshell. A revolutionary carbon-wrapped motor that could single-handedly wipe out the competition. This wasn't just an incremental upgrade, it was a fundamental reimagining of how electric motors should work. Tesla's latest innovation challenges everything we thought we knew about EV performance. Traditional motors in electric cars rely on metal components that expand under high temperatures, leading to a loss of efficiency and power. Tesla's plaid carbon-wrapped rotor solves this problem by reinforcing the motor with an advanced carbon fiber sleeve. This enhancement prevents overheating, reduces energy loss, and allows the motor to spin at record-breaking speeds. exceeding 20,000 revolutions per minute without any degradation in performance. For comparison, most high-performance electric motors max out at around 14,000–16,000 revolutions per minute before encountering issues with thermal expansion and mechanical stress. Tesla's new engine not only surpasses this threshold, but does so while maintaining unparalleled efficiency. The result? Faster acceleration, longer range, and a more sustainable use of energy. 3 factors that could cement Tesla's dominance for years to come. Industry experts were left in disbelief. How had Tesla managed to overcome the limitations that engineers had spent decades trying to solve? The answer lies in Tesla's obsession with material science and efficiency. By using advanced manufacturing techniques and precise engineering, Musk's team found a way to wrap the motor's rotor in carbon fiber with a precision that had never been achieved before. Even more impressive is the impact this breakthrough could have on production. While competitors like Lucid Motors, Rivian, and traditional automakers struggle with supply chain issues and high manufacturing costs, Tesla's new motor simplifies production by reducing reliance on expensive rare metals. This not only makes Tesla's cars more affordable, but also improves scalability.
Who built an industrial empire from the stuff of little boy dreams,
allowing the company to mass-produce these motors at a lower cost than any of its competitors. Tesla's competitors now find themselves in an impossible position. The automotive industry had already been struggling to adapt to Tesla's lead in battery technology and autonomous driving. Now, with a motor that delivers unmatched speed, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness, Tesla has effectively left the competition in ruins. With this new breakthrough, will Tesla's rivals be able to keep up?
As Tesla stock tumbles amid a Tesla takedown protest movement against the company.
Or has Musk just pulled off the final checkmate in the EV war, the technology that puts Tesla light years ahead? Elon Musk has always been a visionary, but with Tesla's new carbon-wrapped rotor motor, he may have just rewritten the future of electric vehicles. What sets Tesla apart isn't just that it makes high-performance electric cars, it's the engineering behind them. And with this latest breakthrough, Tesla has left the rest of the industry scrambling to figure out how they can possibly keep up.
That terrible year was captured in a documentary called Revenge of the Electric Car.
At the heart of this new motor is material science innovation. Traditional electric motors rely on metals like copper and steel to generate power. But these materials have a fundamental weakness. They expand when heated. As electric vehicles push their limits, their motors must withstand immense centrifugal forces, and at high speeds, traditional motors risk breaking apart. Tesla's engineers, however, have discovered a way around this problem. By reinforcing the rotor with carbon fiber, Tesla has completely eliminated the expansion issues that plague traditional motors. This allows the motor to spin at over 20,000 revolutions per minute while maintaining peak efficiency. In practical terms, this means faster acceleration, better durability, and significantly lower energy consumption. All factors that make Tesla's vehicles far superior to anything else on the market. But that's not the only advantage. The carbon fiber doesn't just prevent expansion.
Tesla's stock has rocketed up nearly 500%, but that's not based on the cars he's selling today.
It actually strengthens the entire motor, making it lighter and more powerful. The result? A motor that generates more torque while using less energy. A critical development that drastically improves range and reduces battery degradation. Tesla's commitment to open-source technology has made it clear that Musk isn't just competing with other EV makers. He's trying to accelerate the entire industry. But will Tesla's rivals be able to reverse engineer this motor fast enough? Or has Musk just created a technological gap that no other automaker can close? Tesla's new engine, a game changer in speed and efficiency. Tesla's new carbon-wrapped rotor motor isn't just a small improvement, it's a paradigm shift in electric vehicle technology. For years, traditional automakers have relied on incremental upgrades to improve performance. But what Tesla has done is rewrite the rulebook entirely. At the core of this innovation is the use of advanced carbon fiber materials that allow the motor to spin faster, generate more power, and maintain efficiency without overheating. In traditional electric motors, high-speed rotation creates extreme centrifugal forces, which can cause metal rotors to warp, expand, or even crack under pressure. Tesla's solution? Wrap the rotor in carbon fiber, effectively locking its structure in place and allowing for unprecedented rotational speeds. The impact of this breakthrough is staggering. Tesla's new motor enables its vehicles to accelerate faster than any other production electric car, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 2 seconds. For comparison, that's faster than some of the world's most elite hypercars, including the Bugatti Chiron and Lamborghini Aventador. The speed isn't just a gimmick.
It is a technological marvel that scorches the pavement, 0 to 60 in 4 seconds.
It's a testament to Tesla's superior engineering and performance capabilities. But raw speed is only one part of the equation. The real advantage comes from efficiency. Tesla's motor doesn't just deliver power, it does so while using significantly less energy. This means longer battery life, greater range, and fewer charging stops for Tesla owners. What does this mean for the industry? Other EV makers will now be forced to either match Tesla's performance or risk falling into irrelevance. However, duplicating this technology won't be easy. Tesla's integration of carbon fiber into electric motors is a patented, proprietary process that took years to perfect. With a massive lead in both speed and efficiency, Tesla's competitors have found themselves in a race they may never be able to win. The question is, how will the rest of the industry respond to Tesla's latest leap forward? The end of gasoline-powered supercars. For decades, gasoline-powered supercars have ruled the roads, with brands like Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Bugatti setting the benchmark for speed and performance. But Tesla's new motor is challenging the very foundation of what a supercar should be. With 0 to 60 miles per hour times below 2 seconds, Tesla's Plaid Model S has already outperformed nearly every gas-powered hypercar in existence. But with the new carbon-wrapped rotor, Tesla has extended that lead even further. The problem for traditional supercar manufacturers is simple: they can't keep up. Gasoline engines, no matter how advanced, have mechanical limitations. They require complex transmissions, fuel injection systems, and turbochargers to deliver peak performance. Tesla's all-electric drivetrain eliminates all of these components, providing instant torque, seamless acceleration, and unparalleled efficiency. Supercar brands are now facing an existential crisis. If electric motors are faster, more efficient, and cheaper to maintain, what reason is there to buy a gas-powered hypercar? Even companies like Porsche and McLaren, which have dabbled in electric powertrains, are struggling to match Tesla's advancements. What's even more concerning for traditional automakers is the future of racing. The introduction of Tesla's new motor technology has already sparked discussions about electric supercars replacing internal combustion cars in motorsports. Imagine a future where Formula One or Le Mans races are dominated by silent but incredibly powerful electric race cars.
We're going to try and do 2 out of 3 races. We'll see what happens. These cars sometimes need to cool down a little bit.
With Tesla pushing the boundaries of speed, power, and sustainability, the automotive world is being forced to rethink everything it once knew about performance vehicles. The ultimate question is, will the next generation of hypercars be electric, or will traditional manufacturers find a way to fight back? Tesla's secret weapon: battery innovation. While Tesla's carbon-wrapped motor is grabbing headlines, it's important to recognize the other half of the equation: battery technology. Even the fastest electric motor in the world is useless without a power source that can match its performance. And once again, Tesla has leapfrogged the competition. At the heart of Tesla's advantage is its new 4680 battery cells, a revolutionary design that offers higher energy density, lower production costs, and significantly improved lifespan. These batteries are designed specifically to complement Tesla's next-generation motors, providing enough energy to sustain long-range, high-speed driving without rapid degradation. But that's not all. Tesla has been working on a next-generation battery chemistry that could potentially eliminate the biggest challenge in the EV industry: charging time. While most EVs still require 30 to 60 minutes to fully charge, Tesla's upcoming battery technology could slash that time to under 10 minutes. For years, critics of EVs have pointed to range anxiety and charging delays as reasons why electric cars can't fully replace gasoline vehicles. But Tesla's upcoming breakthroughs could render those concerns obsolete. With a high-speed motor and an ultra-fast charging battery, Tesla is on the verge of creating an unstoppable combination that will make gas-powered cars completely irrelevant. The competition knows this. That's why legacy automakers are scrambling to develop their own battery technologies. But Tesla's years of research, manufacturing expertise, and vertical integration give it an insurmountable lead. If Tesla succeeds in making fast-charging, long-range electric cars the new standard, what reason will there be to buy anything else? The EV industry's last stand. With Tesla's latest breakthroughs, the traditional auto industry is in crisis mode. Companies like Ford, GM, and Toyota have spent billions trying to catch up in the electric vehicle space. But Tesla's engineering dominance has made that nearly impossible. Tesla's competitors are struggling because they are dependent on outdated manufacturing methods. Unlike Tesla, which builds its vehicles with a completely new production model, legacy automakers are trying to force EV technology into traditional factory setups. They also lack battery expertise, as Tesla manufactures its own batteries, while most legacy automakers outsource their battery supply, leading to higher costs and supply chain issues. Furthermore, they can't match Tesla's efficiency. Every Tesla vehicle is designed from the ground up as an electric car, while many competitors are simply modifying gas-powered designs, making them less efficient, heavier, and more expensive to produce. Despite spending billions on EV development, traditional automakers are still years behind. And with Tesla's new engine and battery breakthroughs, that gap is only getting wider. The auto industry is at a crossroads. Companies must either reinvent themselves to compete with Tesla, or they risk becoming obsolete. Who will survive the EV revolution? The battle for EV supremacy. Can anyone stop Tesla? Tesla's game-changing engine technology has sent shockwaves through the EV industry. For years, automakers have been trying to catch up to Tesla's dominance, but with the latest carbon-wrapped rotor motor and cutting-edge battery advancements, Tesla has widened the gap to an almost unbeatable lead. So the big question remains, can any other automaker challenge Tesla's reign? Companies like Rivian, Lucid Motors, BYD, and NIO have all attempted to position themselves as Tesla's biggest competitors. While some have had success in specific markets, none have been able to match Tesla's level of engineering, scale, and cost efficiency. Lucid Motors, for example, has developed one of the fastest EVs on the market, the Lucid Air Sapphire. However, while it can compete in raw speed, Lucid lacks the ability to mass-produce at the scale Tesla can. Its cars remain high-end luxury models, making them unattainable for most consumers. Then there's Rivian, which has gained traction in the electric truck segment. The company has innovative technology and a strong brand presence, but it is still struggling with production bottlenecks and financial sustainability. Tesla, on the other hand, has mastered scaling production efficiently, which is why its new engine isn't just a technological feat, it's an industry-shifting manufacturing breakthrough. Meanwhile, Chinese automakers like BYD and NIO have surged ahead in certain regions, mainly due to government support and domestic market dominance. BYD has overtaken Tesla in total global EV sales, but only because of its low-cost, mass-produced EVs in China. However, when it comes to technology, range, and performance, BYD's vehicles are still no match for Tesla. While legacy automakers like Ford, GM, and Volkswagen are making desperate attempts to electrify their fleets, they simply don't have the infrastructure, technological expertise, or brand appeal to overtake Tesla. In the race for EV supremacy, Tesla's latest advancements may have sealed its victory, but is there any wild card left that could change the game? The secret weapon? Tesla's AI and autonomous driving edge. While Tesla's new engine and battery technology are dominating the EV conversation, there's another major factor that puts Tesla light years ahead. Its AI-powered full self-driving FSD system. Most automakers focus only on building electric vehicles. Tesla, however, is playing a completely different game. Elon Musk's vision isn't just about making cars electric, it's about making them fully autonomous. Tesla's full self-driving FSD technology is powered by an advanced AI neural network, processing trillions of data points from real-world driving. Every Tesla on the road acts as a data collector, constantly improving the AI's ability to navigate roads, avoid accidents, and learn from human drivers. While competitors like Waymo and Cruise rely on pre-mapped routes and LiDAR technology, Tesla's system is entirely vision-based, mimicking human perception using cameras and AI. This gives Tesla an insurmountable advantage. Instead of requiring extensive mapping, Tesla's AI learns in real time, meaning that the more Teslas on the road, the smarter the system gets. With the new motor and battery combination, Tesla isn't just making faster cars, it's building the foundation for the world's first fully self-driving vehicle fleet. Imagine a future where Tesla's robo-taxis replace traditional ride-sharing services, where self-driving EVs transport goods and people autonomously, and where manual driving becomes a thing of the past. If Tesla perfects full self-driving, it won't just dominate the EV market, it will dominate the entire automotive industry. How long until Tesla reaches full autonomy, and what happens to companies that can't keep up? The EV industry's desperate attempts to compete. With Tesla's latest engine breakthrough, competitors are scrambling to find a way to catch up, but their strategies are falling apart. Legacy automakers like Ford, GM, and Toyota are heavily investing in electric vehicle programs, but they are decades behind Tesla in technology, production efficiency, and software innovation. Ford's Mustang Mach-E and F-150 Lightning have been moderately successful, but the company still struggles with battery supply chain issues and profitability. Meanwhile, GM's Chevrolet Bolt and Cadillac Lyriq are underwhelming compared to Tesla's vehicles. Toyota, once the king of hybrids, has been slow to embrace EVs, believing that hydrogen fuel cells were the future. Now, it is rushing to build EVs, but its technology is severely outdated compared to Tesla. Volkswagen, one of the largest automakers in the world, poured billions into electrification but struggled with software issues, delaying the rollout of its ID series electric cars. On the other hand, new EV startups like Rivian, Lucid, and Fisker are showing promise but are burning through cash at an alarming rate. If they fail to achieve Tesla's production efficiency, they could go bankrupt before they even become serious competitors. As Tesla continues to dominate the industry, legacy automakers and startups alike are desperate to find a way to stay in the game. But with Tesla's latest technological leaps, are they already too late? Tesla's expansion plans, taking over the global market. Tesla's dominance in the EV industry is not just limited to the United States. It is rapidly expanding across Europe, Asia, and beyond. While some automakers struggle with supply chain issues, government regulations, and production bottlenecks, Tesla has been aggressively expanding its global presence with new gigafactories and manufacturing hubs.
Tesla calls it gigacasting, is a form of die casting. It's a common manufacturing technique.
One of Tesla's key advantages is its ability to quickly adapt to international markets. In China, Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory has become one of the largest and most efficient EV production hubs in the world. Despite competition from local brands like BYD and NIO, Tesla continues to dominate in premium EV sales. In Europe, Tesla has established the Berlin Gigafactory,
When the Gigafactory is done, it'll be the largest footprint building of any kind in the world.
which has allowed it to outproduce many European automakers in their own territory. This factory has streamlined production and significantly lowered costs, giving Tesla a major edge over competitors like Volkswagen, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz. Meanwhile, Tesla is rapidly expanding in new regions, such as India, the Middle East, and South America, where EV adoption is still in its early stages. By entering these markets first, Tesla is positioning itself to capture long-term market share before other automakers can even begin to compete. Another key factor in Tesla's global takeover is its direct-to-consumer sales model. While traditional automakers rely on dealership networks, Tesla has been able to sell directly to consumers, allowing for faster deliveries, lower costs, and a better buying experience. With rising government incentives for EV adoption, Tesla is poised to dominate the global market as more countries phase out gas-powered vehicles in favor of electric transportation. The company's aggressive push into emerging markets could further widen the gap between Tesla and its competitors. As Tesla continues to expand, legacy automakers are struggling to keep up. While companies like Ford, GM, and Volkswagen are still focused on their domestic markets, Tesla is going global at an unprecedented rate. With the entire world shifting towards EVs, the question is clear. Will Tesla become the first truly global automaker, dominating every market on Earth? The rise of Tesla's competitors. Can they fight back? Despite Tesla's overwhelming success, other companies are not giving up without a fight. The EV market is rapidly growing, and competitors are rushing to develop their own innovations in an attempt to challenge Tesla's dominance. One of the biggest threats to Tesla comes from China, where companies like BYD, XPeng, and NIO have been scaling their production rapidly. Unlike traditional automakers, these companies have fully embraced electric technology and are producing EVs at an unprecedented pace. BYD, for example, has already surpassed Tesla in total EV sales, although most of its vehicles are lower-cost models sold primarily in China. However, BYD is now expanding globally, entering European and South American markets, which could pose a serious challenge to Tesla. Meanwhile, legacy automakers like Ford, GM, and Volkswagen have been investing billions into EV development, hoping to close the gap with Tesla. However, these companies are still struggling with battery technology.
Lithium-ion covers a very broad range of technologies.
Charging infrastructure, and software integration, areas where Tesla already excels. In the luxury EV segment, Lucid Motors and Rivian are pushing the boundaries of performance and design. Lucid's Air Sapphire is one of the fastest EVs ever made, while Rivian is dominating the electric truck market with its adventure-ready R1T and R1S models. Additionally, Apple and other tech companies have been rumored to be working on autonomous EVs, which could completely change the competitive landscape. If Apple enters the EV space, it could leverage its technology expertise and brand loyalty to challenge Tesla in ways that traditional automakers cannot. Despite these challenges, Tesla's technological edge, production efficiency, and brand loyalty continue to keep it miles ahead of the competition. But as the race for EV supremacy intensifies, could one of these rising competitors finally take Tesla's crown? The role of AI and energy storage in Tesla's future. Beyond automobiles, Tesla's future is being shaped by two critical innovations: artificial intelligence, AI, and advanced energy storage solutions. Tesla's full self-driving FSD system is one of the most advanced AI-driven automotive technologies in the world. Unlike traditional automakers, Tesla is developing its own AI software and training neural networks to achieve true autonomous driving. Every Tesla vehicle on the road acts as a data collector, feeding real-world driving information back to Tesla's AI system. This allows Tesla's autonomous technology to improve faster than competitors, which rely on limited testing environments. In addition to self-driving cars, Tesla is also expanding its focus on energy storage solutions, with products like the Megapack and Powerwall.
Welcome everyone to basically the announcement of Tesla Energy.
These large-scale battery storage systems are being used to support renewable energy grids and reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Tesla's gigafactories are being equipped with the latest battery production technologies, ensuring cheaper, more efficient energy storage solutions for both homes and businesses. As governments push for clean energy policies, Tesla's battery storage technology is set to become as important as its electric vehicles. With Tesla leading the charge in and energy storage, could it become more than just an automaker? Is Tesla on its way to becoming a global energy and technology empire? Tesla's endgame. As Tesla dominates the EV industry, expands its global reach, and pioneers AI-driven technology, one question remains. What is Tesla's ultimate goal? Elon Musk has always emphasized that Tesla is more than just a car company. His vision extends beyond automobiles, aiming to create a fully sustainable future powered by renewable energy and AI-driven automation. Tesla's roadmap includes expanding its gigafactories globally to dominate EV production and battery storage, perfecting full self-driving AI to achieve a fully autonomous vehicle network.
We'll see autonomous cars become 10 times safer than a human.
Developing Tesla Bot, an AI-powered humanoid robot to revolutionize labor and automation, launching a Tesla rideshare network, Robotaxi, to replace traditional Uber and Lyft models, accelerating solar energy adoption with products like Solar Roof and Powerwall, and pushing battery technology to new limits, making EVs cheaper, more efficient, and longer-lasting. Tesla isn't just changing transportation, it is shaping the future of energy, technology, and automation. As other companies struggle to compete, Tesla continues to break barriers and set new industry standards. The question is no longer whether Tesla will succeed, but rather how far it will go. With the new engine, cutting-edge AI, and an unstoppable drive to innovate, Tesla is poised to dominate the future. But what comes next? Could Tesla expand beyond Earth into space, colonizing Mars with its technology? One thing is for sure, Tesla's story is far from over. What's next for Tesla? Tesla's latest game-changing innovations have completely reshaped the EV industry, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in transportation, energy, and AI. With cutting-edge motors that outperform traditional combustion engines, next-generation battery technology that extends range and efficiency, and AI-driven advancements in autonomous driving, Tesla is no longer just a car company. It's a technology powerhouse. As Tesla continues to expand its global presence, opening new gigafactories and dominating the markets in Europe, China, and beyond, the company is setting the stage for a future where it could become the undisputed leader in mobility, energy storage, and artificial intelligence.
This battery is one of the largest battery energy storage systems in the world.
With its vision extending beyond Earth toward interplanetary travel and sustainable energy solutions for Mars, the scope of Tesla's ambition seems limitless. But with legacy automakers like Ford, GM, and Volkswagen scrambling to catch up, and rising EV giants like BYD and Lucid Motors entering the race, could Tesla's dominance be challenged in the years to come? Or has Elon Musk positioned Tesla so far ahead that no one else can keep up? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into Tesla, EVs, and the future of technology. See you in the next one.